So we bought another one of these Vicseed phone holders off of Amazon, but this time it's to put here on in the Jetta, and I'll get it all apart, open up the box, and we're gonna figure out where to put it. Yeah, we liked it in the Suburban so much that like it would be nice to have it in the Jetta, even though we have like Apple CarPlay in here, which is the best. But put the phone here. Now let's see where we can mount this sucker. See, it'll do good right here. Kind of seeing how. See if I put it right here, but this is blocking some of the view. It needs to go down. See if I can do good over here, probably. And I just drop my phone and break it. You really want to figure this out before you stick it, because it's the 3M emblem tape on the back of here, and that sticks very well. So yeah, make sure you know where you're sticking it. Would it be good right here? No, it blocks the steer wheel. You gotta mock this up before you stick it, because otherwise you might not be having a good area. I think this is probably the best right here. Let's take it off. Yeah, and that does it. I think I just want to do. This first piece needs to go right on the edge right here. We know that part. That's a given. And look, just that makes it stick pretty good. Let's see. Let's put this. So now it's how far back. Here we go. See, I have it super loose. I think right here. See it. Okay. I have an idea of where it needs to go. Pull this off. It's stuck. Getting buckled.
Yeah, I did.
Mom is buckled. Putting it in reverse. Oh, that's cool.
Okay. Let's see if you can see the whole. I like that.
Now you can see the whole thing.
Yeah.
So it sounds like they lock or something.
Okay.
All these big trucks.